If you want to check the activation date on your Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can, for example, go to Settings. Now over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find Battery Settings. And then in here, if you can go to Battery Info, you should be able to find the date of first use, which could be a good indicator of the activation date. Besides that, you can also go back and go to Google. So at the top, we can find Google option. Next, we can tap on our Google account and choose Manage your Google account. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Next, over here, we can go to Security and Sign In. And if you scroll down, you should be able to find your devices, and you want to choose Sessions on Android devices. And then, of course, over here, you should be able to find your current session, which can also be, of course, named as Motorola Edge 70. In my case, unfortunately, it isn't. Verify yourself with the biometrics or screen lock password. And after that, we can see the first sign-in date, which is, of course, relevant as long as you used the same account for the first time when you got your phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.